Okay, so this is an interesting one here. We're comparing fractions, right? So compare the amounts that Serena and Ricky drink. Choose the correct answers from the drop down menu. So in third grade, you're comparing fractions based on the same numerator or same denominator. And it matters here because what I still see a lot of times, I'll see that compare, right? You're going to compare the fractions, and I'll see teachers teach this, right? I'm going to say that's, 5/6 is greater than 5/8. However, I guarantee you when we drop down these guys here, none of that's going to matter. And TA knows that already. So we need to go back and really focus on the standard. And again, the standard here is that our babies need to know what's happening with respect to same numerators and same denominators. And it's all about parts to a whole. So what does 5 out of 6 parts mean? I'm going to do this so you can kind of understand what I'm doing here. I'm going to draw a rectangle and then cut it in half this way and kind of start doing this part here. How many parts? It's 6. To the best of my ability, I'm going to cut this guy into 6 parts. And I'm going to shade in 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 6 parts. Now I'm going to cut this guy into the 8 parts. So I go down the middle here, 8, right? Cut into fourths, and then cut that into 8 parts. And that should have lined up, but it did. Okay, so the 5 parts. 1, 2, or maybe they should, right? 3, 4, 5. Just by that alone, I know that 5/6 has more parts. And it's the same number of parts to the whole, right? But since I got 5 to 6, 5 to 8, I only got 1 part missing here. I only got 3 parts missing there, so that makes a difference here. So let's see what it says here. Let's see here. Serena drinks, well, she's more, right? More milkshake than Ricky, okay? Because of what? They both drink 5 parts of a milkshake? No. 6 are smaller than 8, or 6 are larger than 8. And what did our picture have here? 6 out of the whole parts are larger than the 8s, right? Well, that makes the whole difference. So it becomes a language problem, right? So Serena drinks more because 6 are larger than 8s, and that's the whole issue. So yes, you could have done cross product, but a lot of times we miss out on the important part here is the why. That's true. I think our kids would have probably gotten 1 out of 2 here, but I don't know about both. But if you teach it the way it's supposed to be taught, you talk about that language of what's happening here with the same numerators and denominators, all that stuff, we're in good shape.